skills practice for section 7.2. We're going to use this diagram over here. We're looking for an exterior angle of triangle ABX. Triangle ABX is the big triangle. So X is this point right here. I know it's kind of tough to see. So an exterior angle for triangle ABX would be angle 7. Now there's another answer as well, because notice how angle 9 also makes a linear pair with that angle 6. Either of those would be acceptable answers. What would an exterior angle be for triangle BEA? Okay, so here's triangle BEA. I see an exterior angle right here. Makes a linear pair with angle 3, which is inside of triangle BEA. So angle 5 would be the exterior angle. How about an interior angle of triangle ABX? Well, angle 1 is an interior angle of it. Angle 6 is an interior angle. And then this angle up here, don't call it angle B, call it angle ABX. Use 3 letters. You can't call it angle 2 and angle 4. Don't call it angle 6, or don't call it angle B. Use 3 letters. Number 4, an interior angle for triangle BEA. Well, there's 3 choices. You could do 1, 2, or 3. Number 5, a remote interior angle of triangle ABX with respect to angle 7. So here's angle 7. Remote interior angle would be angle 1 or that angle ABX. Number 6, a remote interior angle of triangle BEA with respect to angle 5. You get 2 choices, angle 1 or angle 2. Okay, so exterior angles, remote interior angles, it's important terms. So we're going to use those terms again here when we go over these problems. Angle 2 is an exterior angle because it makes an interior angle with this angle. What is angle 2's measure? Well, it's going to be the same thing as these two added together. So 72 and 50 together give you 122. That's the measure of angle 2. Number 12. This is an exterior angle, 135 degrees. It's exterior because this angle is an interior angle. This makes a linear pair with it. These are the remote interior angles. If this angle is 80, what's this angle going to be? Well, together, those have to add up to 135. So subtract 80 from 135. Number 13, we're going to find the value of x. We need an equation first. These 2 angles together are going to add up to give you this one. So 2x plus 5, even though we don't know what it is, we know it's got to be the same thing as x plus 55. And we're going to solve for x. We'll subtract x from both sides. And then we'll subtract 5 from both sides. So that's x, 50. Find the measure of angle B. Well, here's angle B. It's 50 degrees as well because the variable there was just 1x. Number 15, find the measure of angle BMA. That's this guy out here. 2 times 50 plus 5. 2 times 50 is 100, plus 5 is 105 degrees. And that should make sense because 105 is the same thing as 50 plus 55. Find the measure of angle BMZ. Well, if that's 105, this is a linear pair with it, it's got to be 75. Okay, 17 through 19. In this little circle, you're going to put either an equal sign or less than or greater than. Compare angle 3 with angle 1's measure. Well, angle 1 is definitely bigger because it's the exterior angle, and angle 3 is a remote interior angle with respect to angle 1. So angle 1 is definitely bigger. So point towards the smaller angle Measure of angle 3 is less than the measure of angle 1. That's how you read that. Number 18. Compare the measure of angle 5 with the measure of angle 3. Well, make angle 5 the exterior angle, because angle 3 is an interior angle of this triangle. So angle 5 is definitely bigger. So measure of angle 5 is greater than the measure of angle 3. Last one. Let's compare angle 2, which looks like it could be an exterior angle of this big triangle that has angles 4 and 6 in it. 4 and 6 are remote interior angles for that exterior angle, angle 2. So these are equal.